Oh, it's tough to see the Starbucks logo on there. Caramel Ribbon Crunch Frappuccino. Cold on this hot, humid day. It's awesome. Starbucks. So good. Love starting the day out with a nice coffee drink. Starbucks is a great place to stop at when you get here. They got indoor seating. I know, it was all taken. That's why I'm sitting outside, but still, they have indoor seating, and everybody found out about it and they took it. So we're sitting outside, but they do have indoor seating. So today we're at Epcot, and we are in search of the elusive Thumper popcorn bucket. We're really hoping to get one. They are put on sale today, first day, and they are limited item and they do run out. So hopefully we can get our hands on one of them. If we do, we'll show it to you. Should be exciting. So you're invited to come along. First off, take a look inside Communicore Hall real quick and check out the decorations they have in there for the festival. I haven't done that yet, and I'd like to show that to you. And then we'll head over to one of the popcorn bucket stands and we'll see if we can get a popcorn bucket. Look at Wire Mickey.
Metal Mickey.
Yeah, Metal Mickey.
Heavy metal.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool design? Very pretty.
We're in Canada. We're hoping to get a Thumper popcorn bucket here. They have the Thumper popcorn buckets. There it is. That's what it looks like. And that's what it costs. Thumper popcorn bucket. Will we get it? Oh, it looks good for us. It looks good so far.
I mean, he's cute.
Oh yeah, there it is. Thumper. All right, we did it. We got the popcorn. Maple popcorn. And we got Thumper.
You want to see him?
Yeah. There he is, Thumper.
He's
Thumper.
thumping.
Thumper the popcorn bucket. Yeah, the popcorn goes in the back here. He's holding a nice Easter egg. Thumper. How cool. Wow. The line is long to get a Thumper popcorn bucket. There's where you get it at, way up there. And that's the line. It goes way back there. Here in Canada. Oh, Canada ears. Oh, I like the little polar bear. That is cool. That's what they want for the polar bear. Cute little thing. Oh, nice maple leaf. True North, strong and free. Hey, is that a lug bag? Yeah, check that out. Disney lug. That is cute. Here at the Canada Pavilion. And they got a Bear Forest blanket. Bear Forest blanket. Reversible blanket. Oh, wow. Nice. Look at Mickey. Mickey in Canada. Canada far and wide. It's nice. Like their totem poles too. Yeah, we were lucky. We got one. We got a Thumper popcorn bucket. What fun that was. Glad we got in here when we did and came right over to Canada.
Don't forget the caramel popcorn.
Oh yeah. And we got the caramel popcorn too. That's what you get at the Canadian popcorn station. It's the maple.
Yeah,
It's not caramel. Yeah.
Caramel is
It looks like caramel, but
Yeah.
it's maple. That's what you get at the Canadian Pavilion. You get the maple popcorn.
Yeah.
So yeah, we went there after checking the front. There was stations that were sold out of the popcorn bucket already. And it's only what, 11?
Yeah.
Early. You know, within 2 hours they had places that were already sold out of that popcorn bucket. But we beelined it right to Canada. We knew they had a popcorn station there, and we liked their maple popcorn too. So yeah, feel real lucky about that. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. We'll be putting up more content. We're always putting up more content. Thanks for coming along, and we'll see you on the next one.